Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
This is Baitul Firdaus Islamic English channel. I am your lecturer, host, advisor, speaker, Dr. Taj Firdousi. He is saying, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. May Allah's peace and blessings be on you all forever and ever and ever. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, the first line, Bismillahir-Rahman-Ar-Rahim. He uses the word Bismillahir-Rahman-Ar-Rahim, Rahim. He is a merciful. Again in Surah Fatiha, the first, second ayah, Ar-Rahman-Ar-Rahim, Maliki Yawmiddin, Ar-Rahman-Ar-Rahim. He is repeatedly inserting the word of Rahman and Rahim, Rahman and Rahim. So, He is there to bless and we are here to receive. That's it. Today's topic is about Tawbah, which I spoke in the last lecture. And now today is Tawbatun Nasuha. Tawbah, to get back again, to come back. Someone is lost and he comes back again and joins the right track. So, his Tawbah, he came back again. He got the right path again. He knew the mistake. How did he know? Somebody must have told, or he must have done the self-realization. Self-realization, he should understand, he should feel. And he feels what he did was wrong. His conscience, his nafs, he says that, my dear man, this is a mistake, come on. You have to rectify so that your soul is clean when you face your Almighty Allah. I will ask you one question. Every Muslim has to pray 5 times a day. 5 times. What's a prayer? Prayer is nothing but standing in front of Allah and talking to Him. All the time talking, Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in, Iyyaka na'budu. In fact, we pray to you, He says to you, He says to you, wa iyyaka nasta'in, and we seek help and guidance from you. So He is referring you. You means there is someone in front of Him. Who is that? It's Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And finally, Ihdina siratal mustaqim. After talking to Him, Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in, He says, Ihdina, give us siratal, right path, give us the direction of the right path, siratal mustaqim. So He is talking Iyyaka and Ihdina, Dina, Na means we. So there is a conversation going on. 5 times the man, a person stands in front of his master, his Lord in the salah. And when he goes out, the same good old man, cheating. What's the price? Double it and cut it and say that 20% discount, something like that. What's that? If it is 100 already there for a product and he changes his mind and he says put 200 and say 50% discount, say 150. He's rising by giving the wrong direction to the people, wrong information. The same product which was 100 one day before becomes 200 and says 50% discount and 100. As if from 200 to 100 he jumped. After all, he is selling the same but cheating the people. Where is this cheating? How can he do that? So, there is only one thing, ladies and gentlemen. Please remember, a man should do business, a man should eat whatever he earns, halal. Then his prayers are answered. Dua. Why? People are saying, Ya Rabbi, Rabbana atina, Rabbana. Why is Allah not listening? Because in your mouth, in your stomach, in your body, in your blood, and through the blood, your soul is corrupted. Black in the soul, in your heart, in your mind. Everything is completely under the influence of Satan. How can you say, in what way, in which way do you speak and say, Allah, protect me, give me? First of all, you be the perfect one to speak, give me. You deserve that. Check yourself. Are you listening to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Quran speaks to you and you speak. And in the salah you talk to him and he answers. Where is it? What is that you are doing? Cheating and all that. You take somebody's 1 rupee from someone cheating and keep it inside. What happens by cheating 1 rupee you earn? Your 2000 salat, 2000 bil jama'ah will be transferred from you to the other person to whom you cheated. You took loan and you didn't give how much? 10 rupees. 10 rupees. And your 2000 salahs, how many salahs I said now? About 20,000 salahs gone, 100 rupees, all your prayers, your hajj and everything, you are zero with when you face Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It is asked, who is the poorest man on the day of judgment? Somebody said, poorest man? Is there a rich and poor? Yes. On the day of the judgment, the man who prayed 5 times the whole life and did zakah and everything, but only just a matter of some 10 rupees or 5 rupees he was supposed to give. He forgot, he didn't pay. All his good deeds and prayers and virtues gone to that person. And that person has got nothing in his hand. When his things are weighed, the good deeds are weighed, they become zero. And he cries, Ya Allah, what happened? I did everything. I prayed from morning, 5 o'clock, 4:30 in the morning, tahajjud, and everything. Where are they? The answer is, you lost it, my dear man. You sold that. Just for the sake of 1 rupee, salat, you sold it. Bil jama'ah. Bil jama'at. Now imagine, you have to give someone some money and it's on your head 1 rupee. Where are you now? You lost. What kind of business are you doing? What you do now, the business returns in the end, on the day of the judgment. Once, I was in Bahrain. I spent about 4 dinars to go to a person and give him half a dinar and come back home in a taxi. That man who was in Manama said, why? Oh, sir, you came all the way? Today is the holiday. Yes, you came from Rifat to this place? Yes. Why? To give your half dinar money which was on my head, because on the day you didn't have change, I didn't have change. You said, all right, you give me next, but I didn't want. You could have given me next time when you come next week, no? I don't know my life tomorrow, tonight. I am going to be dead or alive. I don't know. If anything happens, this half a dinar will completely spoil all my namaz, my salat, everything. So what I did? No, I came here just to give you half dinar. You came a taxi? Yes. So you are going back? Yes. He said, I didn't see a man like you. So foolish person, to give 500, you are spending 5 dinars. I am amazed to hear that. But I was very happy to see that money was not on my head anymore. I preserved at least whatever the salah I did, a broken salah, maybe it is acceptable or not, whatever it may be I did, that's still there. When I go, I can say that this is the broken salah, I brought it. But at least they are still there. I don't go with empty hands just because of my 100 rupees or 10 rupees. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell you, when a dead body janaza was brought of a Sahabi, Prophet ﷺ stood and asked, is there any loan on his head, the dead body? The people said, yes. And he said, take that out, take the janaza out. There is no use of salat and janaza, because he has still loan. They took it. And they all talked about, and they gathered the money, cleared, and they brought the body. Prophet ﷺ, has his loan paid? Has his loan been paid? Yes. Then he said, Allah, salat al-janaza. No Nobody should have even 1 rupee on his head before dying. Why do you wait for the last day? Who knows? Tomorrow you are there. Today itself, you got somebody's one. Especially, you are supposed to give some money to someone and you are supposed to give that as loan or whatever a partnership thing. Clear it and keep that your hands are very clear. Nobody should say, you have to give me 100 rupees, you have to give me 2,000 rupees, you have to give me $1. No. Somebody said, I will do tawbah, astaghfirullah before dying. Allah will say, Allah will not forgive. Allah will say, that is the thing you took from him and you pay. And when you want astaghfar regarding your belief in Allah, before that you didn't pray salah, I will forgive that. You didn't even observe fast in Ramadan. You ask astaghfirullah, I forgive. But you took somebody's 10 rupees. I can't forgive because it is not between you and me. It is between you and that person. Clear everything when you come here. That money business, worldly business should be clear. When you come to me, it should be. That's called tawbatun nasuha. When you clear everything on your head, then you can ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, whatever I earn is halal, and from me, in my body, in my soul, everything is halal. I am begging you, I am asking you. He will listen. He will listen to your salah. He will listen to your dua. Well, ladies and gentlemen, Jazakallah khair. Thank you very much for this. Tawbah was part 1. Before itself, we can go to Bait al-Firdaus. And this is Tawbatul Nasuha. I will continue with more. And the next one, thank you very much. Jazakallah khair. Please share this and subscribe. Subscribe this Bait al-Firdaus. And one more channel, Taj English Academy. And one more, Taj Urdu Academy. For those Urdu and Hindi speakers, they can make use of my Taj Urdu Academy. Lots of things to speak, and we are going to meet soon. Jazakallah, ma'as salam wa rahmatullahi wa